Popcorn, kokice. I love popcorn. Obožavam kokice. Can I have some popcorn, please? Mogu li dobiti malo kokica, molim vas? He's eating popcorn. On jede kokice. We shared a large popcorn at the cinema. Delili smo velike kokice u bioskopu. These popcorn are salty and delicious. Ove kokice su slane i ukusne. These sweets are with popcorn. Ovi slatkiši su sa kokicama. She brought a bucket of popcorn to the party. Donela je kantu kokica na zabavu. We are talking about popcorn from the cinema. Pričamo o kokicama iz bioskopa. Mouth, usta. The word mouth in Serbian has only the plural form. Reč usta na srpskom ima samo oblik u množini. Your mouth is blue. Tvoja usta su plava. You shouldn't put so much food in your mouth at once. Ne bi trebalo da stavljaš toliko hrane u usta odjednom. Shut your mouth and go away. Začepi usta i odlazi. It's not polite to talk with your mouth full. Nije pristojno pričati punim ustima. Why did you do that to your mouth? Zašto si to uradila svojim ustima? She kissed him on the mouth for the first time. Prvi put ga je poljubila u usta. Grapefruit, grapefruit. This is a red grapefruit. Ovo je crveni grapefruit. I have 3 grapefruits. Imam 3 grapefruta. She's eating a grapefruit. Ona jede grapefruit. We like grapefruits. Volimo grapefrute. This is a picture with a grapefruit. Ovo je slika sa grapefrutom. Grapefruit is a delicious fruit. Grapefruit je ukusno voće. I want some grapefruit. Želim malo grapefruta. They have many grapefruits. Oni imaju mnogo grapefruta. What will you do with these grapefruits? Šta ćeš uraditi sa ovim grapefrutima? Chess, šah. I enjoy playing chess. Uživam da igram šah. Chess is a game of strategy. Šah je igra strategije. She's teaching me how to play chess. Ona me uči kako se igra šah. They practice chess every day. Oni vežbaju šah svakog dana. The chess club meets on Fridays. Šahovski klub se sastaje petkom. Chess pieces are on the table. Šahovske figure su na stolu. I got tired from playing chess. Umorila sam se od igranja šaha. He is the best at chess. On je najbolji u šahu. Disgusting. Odvratan, odvratna, odvratno. This food is disgusting. Ova hrana je odvratna. The disgusting smell filled the room. Odvratan miris je ispunio sobu. I feel sick from that disgusting movie. Muka mi je od tog odvratnog filma. Those disgusting insects are everywhere. Ti odvratni insekti su svuda. Don't help that disgusting man. Nemoj pomoći tom odvratnom čoveku. Smoking is a disgusting habit. Pušenje je odvratna navika. It's disgusting that there are no schools here. Odvratno je što ovde nema škola. Clean up your disgusting room. Očisti svoju odvratnu sobu. Word of the day, reč dana. View, pogled. Don't stand in front of me, you're blocking my view. Ne stoj ispred mene, zaklanjaš mi pogled. Our view of the stage was restricted. Naš pogled na binu je bio ograničen. The view from the top of the mountain is magnificent. Pogled sa vrha planine je veličanstven. What is your view on the political situation? Koji je tvoj pogled na političku situaciju? Week, nedelja. I'm busy this week. Zauzet, zauzeta sam ove nedelje. Last week was relaxing. Prošla nedelja je bila opuštajuća. I have plans for next week. Imam planove za narednu nedelju. I go to the gym every week. Svake nedelje idem u teretanu. I work during the week. Radim tokom nedelje. I'll go to France in 2 weeks. Ići ću u Francusku za 2 nedelje. I'll see you later this week. Vidjet ćemo se kasnije ove nedelje. She visited her parents last week. Prošle nedelje je posetila svoje roditelje. Sunday, nedelja. I always go for a walk on Sundays. Uvek idem u šetnju nedeljom. Last Sunday I visited my grandparents. Prošle nedelje sam posetila svoju baku i deku. This Sunday we're having a family gathering. Ove nedelje imamo porodično okupljanje. Let's go to the swimming pool on Sunday. Hajdemo na bazen u nedelju. On Sundays, I like to sleep in. Nedeljom volim da se naspavam. We went to the park last Sunday. Prošle nedelje smo otišli u park. Sunday is my favorite day. Nedelja je moj omiljeni dan. Writer, pisac. Writer, female, spisateljica. Author, autor. The writer wrote a book that became a bestseller. Pisac je napisao knjigu koja je postala bestseller. She's a talented writer who can write in different genres. Ona je talentovana spisateljica koja može da piše u različitim žanrovima. The writer's signature is on the first page of the book. Potpis pisca je na prvoj strani knjige. He decided to become a writer after reading a famous novel. Odlučio je da postane pisac nakon što je pročitao poznati roman. The writer spent long hours working on the manuscript. Pisac je proveo duge sate radeći na rukopisu. Tree, wood, drvo, trees, drveće. The tree is tall, drvo je visoko. The leaves on the tree are green, listovi na drvetu su zeleni. The branches of the tree are strong, grane drveta su jake. The table is made of wood, sto je napravljen od drveta. My neighbor cut down the tree, moj komšija je posekao drvo. The wood is used for building, drvo se koristi za izgradnju. We took a walk in the woods and saw many trees. Prošetali smo šumom i videli mnogo drveća.